everyone, it's Misty with Behold Crafty Creations. Today we're going to be making an adorable, inexpensive lemon planter decor box. Supplies needed will be greenery, 3 Dollar Tree wooden boxes, lemons, Mod Podge, 3 printed lemon images, and some hot glue. Let's get crafting! So first we're going to start gluing the boxes together with some hot glue. You're going to take one edge of the box and glue it to the other, and then do the same with the third box. You can adjust them to get a good hold on it. And that's the start of your starter planner. Now we're going to take and we're going to Mod Podge the 3 images on the front of the box. So you'll put a generous layer underneath the first image. Then you'll take the image and apply it to where you want it to go and smooth it down, and then you'll take Mod Podge and go back over the top to seal it and secure it. You're going to repeat the process with your second image and then again with your third. now you can take a sand block and you can sand off the rough. Now it's time to add some greenery and your lemons. And there's no science to this or no wrong way or right way. And I ended up at the end, after I did all of it, I didn't like how the lemons were laying. And I didn't want to hot glue them because I wanted to be able to reuse them in another project. So I basically took some the Dollar Tree moss that you get in the bags, and I stuffed it till it held them correctly. How adorable is that? This is your finished project, and it is beautiful and can go on any shelf or in the middle of a table, centerpiece, or whatnot, wherever you want to display it. I just think it's turned out so super cute, and I hope you guys liked it. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time.